My wife breastfeeds my baby very strangely. My wife breastfeeds my baby in the middle of the night. Every time, she would tell me not to turn on the light. Every time I asked her why she didn't turn on the light, she always avoided talking about it. Until one day, I finally couldn't resist taking a picture with my phone, but I was so shocked by what I saw. What the hell is going on here? I am 35 years old. I have been married for 7 years now. When I was 28, I met my current wife. She's a very introverted girl. She never liked to communicate with others since she was a child. Because she grew up in a very bad environment, her parents fought and quarreled a lot. Her father was very violent and he always hit her mother. And whenever they fought, my wife would always hide in the corner. So she became very introverted. She didn't like contact with anyone. So much that many people thought my wife was mentally unstable. In fact, now I think it's true. She and I were introduced to each other because we were already 28 years old and it was our first time to fall in love. So I cherished her extraordinarily. Soon we got married. Under the care of I and my mother, my wife also slowly became more and more cheerful. She started to socialize with neighbors and talked and laughed with a lot of people.